Host will let you in soon.
Oh, let me add you. Hold
Cool. This is the one that I'm recording.
on. All right, let me give you permission.
No, I already got screen share. You don't have to give me permission.
All right. So, oh, because you're using like another software, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gotcha. So, if you click on any one of these days, there's always going to be something available. Me personally, the only thing that I'm not showing up on right now is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I do a New York session at 7 in the morning till like about 9 or 10 a.m.
Okay.
Okay.
But everything else is pretty much on schedule. Um, Markups, Kim's markups. She posts those on Sundays from the Go Live session. She'll post about 10 markups here.
Uh-huh.
Um, Mondays we do an advanced class. The advanced class you have to. I'm assuming that you're probably already in that point where you can just get on. Normally, there's a requirement that people have to go through, like a checklist that they have to go through before they could get added onto that. Um, and then Wednesday, but whatever, we still post charts on this for everyone to see. Wednesday, same thing. We'll post charts here. Everything that you really kind of need, like just chart wise, they're all right here.
Okay.
Okay.
Anything that comes from Kim, she'll always have them right here.
Gotcha.
People usually post their results throughout the week on trades that they're getting. Especially since we can't post results like online or anything like that, it's a good way to kind of just share our results with other people so they can see what's possible. Uh,
When you say we can't share results, what do you mean?
What
What kind of results can't we share? Monetary wise?
yeah, we can't share anything that has to do with money. No profits, no profits, no. Oh, I just got paid my P1000 check. Look at my money. Like even me, I posted something yesterday, and yet, like yesterday in particular, the company sent out a PDF of saying what you can and cannot post. And even what I posted wasn't okay because it's like you're still enticing people. So I posted, residual pay. I was withdrawing my residuals, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I blocked out the amount, which I thought that would make it okay, but even that because you're still enticing people. So anything that's enticing, you can't really post like that. Usually when someone's brand new, like I don't really bother them about it because they're no one who knows who they are. But then as if you start building and you start gaining followers and stuff like that, then you need to be more careful. I literally have someone who I've literally had two different people message me before and tell me like, hey, that post is not okay with it's not within policy. It's not within compliance. You got to remove it. And if you don't, who knows? I don't know if they're from the company or not. But if you don't remove it, then they could just report you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah,
I had people
like when
like
I
when
was
I was
just a
just a
customer
customer
and I
and I
wasn't
was an
IBO.
IBO.
I had
I had
people
people
hit me
hit
up
me
all
up
the
all the
time
time
saying
saying
that
that
you're not in
you're not in
compliance, you're not
compliance,
in
you're not in
compliance.
compliance. I'm
I'm
like,
just
I'm
a
just a
customer. I'm
customer.
just
I'm
looking
just
for
looking for
my
my
free
free
people.
people. I'm not looking for
I'm not
I'm not
looking to
looking to
build.
build.
They're like,
They're
well,
like,
you're
well,
still
you're
not in
still not in
compliance.
compliance.
I'm
yeah,
like,
I'm like,
yeah.
well
then
then
whatever,
whatever,
report me.
report me.
Not,
Not
I'm not
I'm not
building no
building no
freaking ten
freaking
thousand
$10,000
dollar
And
tram
any
images.
anything that has to tie in with the company, if you're trying to bring him as a customer, that's still enticing someone. So what will happen is the company will just suspend your account pretty much,
Yeah.
yeah.
and then
And
after
plus,
X
Plus,
I have
I
the
have the
domain
domain
swipetrades.com,
swipetrades.com,
so
so
they're
they're
on me
on me
pretty
pretty
tight.
tight.
bro, you're a genius. Um, so just be careful with that. And then you've got other stuff here like trading resources, marketing skills, marketing resources, personal development, libraries. All this stuff is pretty much access pretty much what it says, right?
Yep.
Yep.
So it's just really going through the breakdown of the going through the just going through it so you can kind of understand what's what.
Yeah.
Yeah.
right? And then like I mentioned, the inactive hold, 2 ways you get put in here. It's either by not having your name correct or not being paid.
Gotcha.
That's really it, man. That's really it when it comes to Discord.
What was that? At the 1 to 30 days?
This is just like a plan, but you can find that here.
Okay.
On Discord, right here, where it says 90-day profit plan.
Got it.
Right. I mean, if anything, you have the PDF right here.
Yep.
But if you want to see that, if you just want to see it here, everything's right here. The main thing is, the main thing is showing up, man. Showing up, getting to the, doing whatever you need to do on Go Live. Whichever educators you feel comfortable with, besides Kim.
Who do you like to ride with?
I'll be honest, man. I don't really go on Go Live too much anymore. The only ones that I check out now is Kim during the week. But every now and then I still go check out some educators, and that would be Chris, Derek, Luke, Kim, and that's really about it.
And what products do you use?
I use anything that's Gold Cup. So Gold Cup has about like 2 add-ons. I use all of them. Right. So like,
you don't use any of those indicators like the DeLorean and
I'm looking into DeLorean. I heard DeLorean's really good. A lot of people have given good feedback on it. So I'm gonna start looking into it a little bit more. What was I gonna open here? So like I use anything that's with Gold Cup, right? So Gold Cup,
yep.
In particular, right? You've got a couple different strategies. You've got the teacup strategy, which is pretty much it's a pending order that you'll get a notification on Telegram. Are you in the Gold Cup Telegram?
Let me check. Gold Cup alerts.
Yep.
Or Gold Cup teacup. The teacup is that?
Gold Cup alert should be enough for anything that's called on Gold Cup.
Yeah.
So, as you can see, this was called on July 30th for a sell limit, right? So it's pretty simple. You just place the order, and unless he sends out an update on Telegram to cancel the order, you just wait for it to happen. So that I like it because it's simple, right? It's kind of like swipe trades, right? But more consistent because it's one trader, not 20 different traders, where some of them suck and some don't.
Yeah.
Who does teacup?
His name is Lou something. Louis Lizardo or something like that. They call him
I know. He's down here, isn't he?
He's from New York, but I know he was here a couple of weeks ago, and he might be moving down here. I'm not sure.
Gotcha. I know who you're talking about. Yeah. He's good.
Yeah, he did a little training for my team a couple of weeks ago. We did like a little event at South Point Park.
Okay.
He came and talked to the team and stuff. But then I also use like US 30, right? Like I don't know if the trade is still here. Let me see. Yeah, you see like right here. Before all this upwards movement happened, came and called a sell at the break of this structure, right? All the TPs got hit, and then it made that move up. So, everything. The only thing I really pay extra for is everything that you see on Gold Cup. right? Like you have to pay extra for this, you have to pay extra for this on Gold Cup. So price
Okay,
trap,
okay.
Christopher Derrick. The way I trade is more like Christopher Derrick. He's the one who I really learned. Like he's the one that I learned from before I ever met Kim or anything like that. You know, but like
I've seen some of his stuff, but
I
I
never
never
really
really
dug
dug
into
into
it,
it,
but
but
I
I
wanted to
wanted
get
to get
into it,
into it,
and
and
then
then
that's
that's
when
when
I
I
kind of
kind of
backed
backed
off
off
on IMO.
and
And
then
but look, his trades are very simple. It's pretty much you're trapping price in a zone, right? Wait for a breakout, retest, right? And you see this one didn't really play out exactly how you said it, but it would have played out if you would have adjusted the zone right here, right?
so pretty much
the
the
way
way
Kim
Kim
trades.
trades.
Yeah. So he'll do is he'll put these charts out in advance, right? And he's like, okay, you're just gonna wait for this to happen, right? So this one didn't play out exactly how he marked it up, but the other ones did, like right here, right?
Yeah.
This broke out of the zone. This one broke out of the zone here and did the retest, right? So this did a little fake out and then it broke out right here and did the retest, right? So these are good because like the problem with a lot of traders is they don't know they don't know where to look, right? And like these like a markup like this pretty much tells you where to look.
Yeah.
You know, it's like, okay, well, if I know I just need to focus on these three pairs, and you only focus on those three pairs, then more than likely one or two of them are gonna give you what you're looking for, right?
And he gives you. Okay, I'm looking at it right now.
Yeah, he gives you the entry zone, right? Which would be this.
Yeah.
Oh, and then he gives you a set of rules. The rules are pretty much twin trade, take profit 1, 30 pips.